Is it worth it now that you're gonna get busted and all? You think this is gonna make you cool? 'Cause it's not! I'm coming for you, kid! Bad decision, son. Bad, bad, bad.
Hey, that's pretty funny. I got a job that only you can help me out with.
Can't believe that weasel's
What's new?
You don't scare me, you know.
Anything going on?
I wouldn't wear your shoes.
Wish I could make my daddy proud. What's the prep school coming to an alliance is this whole...
Hello. Are you looking for anything in particular?
I remember when being a student at Bulwark.
Edna, what are you doing? You stink like cheap perfume. Like, did you drink a whole bottle or something? Love isn't easy. I know. I've spent years slaving. What the hell is your problem? Will you tell us about it? I'll bring your little breath before I get my cleaver.
Get back to my lab.
If I could drop dead, I'd be the happiest fella in town. Later, Fred.
What's going on?
You are so pathetic.
It's gonna get you nowhere.
Stop right there.
All right, you
suck.
It'd be really cool if you could help me. You know what would be cool? If you egged the girls' dorm. Come on,
I guess
do it.
so.
Thank you.
Hang on, everyone. No troublemakers are going to run, fight, and forward. I swear to God, Duncan, if you don't stop right now. Nobody likes moving forward while I hold. Oh! Your butt is mine.
Fiddle, fiddle, fiddle.
I'm hungry.